Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can access Zoom meeting password, or let's say how you can know the Zoom meeting password. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just join a meeting. So once you are in a meeting, what you can do is you can just go to this Zoom drop down menu over here. Then it will give the details about the meeting. So over here you'll be having the passcode over here like this, and now this is your password for the meeting. So this is how you know the meeting password. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.